Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth module of session 12. So in this module, in continuation to our previous models where we discussed about um, new product development and new product development strategies, process that involved in the product development. And the previous slide was all about to understand the product life cycle. So these are the various dimensions which we discussed in the previous modules as far as product development is concerned. So in this direction, now let us look at the tourism industry, tourism sector where you have the product and services and how the product is designed and developed in tourism, and that we discuss in this model, an introductory um, note. So we just look at this tourism products, how the tourism products developed, and then various other dimensions. So we just try to understand from this model. So this background, the learning objective of this present model is to understand the features and characteristics and the process of tourism the product. So these are the main issues. When you look at the tourism product, so there are two important things here, narrow sense and then wider sense. So the narrow sense of the tourism product understanding is consists of what the tourist they buy, right? So all tourists are no, not same. So they have their own expectations, depends on their interest and then requirement, awareness, and then their budget, and of course their the family and other things. So wider sense is the combination of what the tourist does at the destination and then services used, right? We can see that no, the tourist what they buy is one thing, and then what is there in the destination, and in terms of the combination of what the tourist does at the destination and services, what they do, then how they consume the product in on the destinations in terms of their interest and then no, affordability. So all these are various issues. Like you can see, this we have the two aspects in the tourism product. When you look at the tourism product characteristics, no, like it's a services which is intangible, right? It can't be no, inspected physically. You can't see that. It is just you have to feel the service that is there in the tourism, the product. And this is psychological in attractions. So then varies in quality and then standards from consumer to consumer. It is not same, and supply side is a fixed. This example, more hotel rooms can be instantly created to meet the demand. So supply side is fixed, and then it's the quality varies. The same product, but the quality perceived by the end users that varies. It is not the same, and the psychological in attractions. Like you can see that attraction again it depends on the individual, and some people like it, some people don't like. Some people excited by seeing the same thing, and in that way you can see these are all the different features of tourism product. Then if you see the tourism product from economic point of view, so primary element of the tourism is to create economic value, and then the composition of the various elements are there in that, and organic and then sellable. You can see this 80% of time composed by the consumers itself. So you can see, can't separate the product from the consumer. Sometimes the product is with the consumers, and then we just create that kind of environment where so the consumer is understanding or identifying the product and then consuming on the destination. It is just we are only facilitators as a service providers, right? So this is what is the tourist economy, right? If you just look at the chain of tourist product development, like to obtain information that is about various destination related knowledge, or transportation related knowledge, and the services related knowledge, information, and to book, to get or to and be back from the destination, like meditation and then transportations, meditation and then transportation. Then you can see that you will find that after that the tourists start traveling, and then the stay at the destination, like accommodation, then animation on the spot, like attractions. You can see that all these are the information receiving and then purchasing your package and traveling and then staying in accommodation and then finding attractions and then interacting with attractions and enjoying the attractions and feeling its attractions. So all these are the various issues in the tourism product development. And then in addition to that, there are additional services for the tourist on their tour and then on their stay in the hotel when they are spending time on the destination. So the service providers will add some kind of additional services to satisfy the customers, and then to develop the customer relationship and then loyalty. These are all various other aspects of the tourism, the product development. Right. So with this, let me stop here and thank you very much. And looking forward to meet you in video 58.